Yeah, I think I found your problem. It's the way you did your mesh. I think you double faces on it. Be careful because the G key on the keyboard will actually redo your last action. So if you extrude one face and just click on G just after that, just like that without knowing it, you're gonna have a double face. All right, this is fairly common. Let me show you how I figure it out right here. I basically what I did is that I took your mesh. Let me reopen it up. There you go. That's your mesh. That was like that, right? And I just basically took the normal and softened them up. We did that before, and we got to that problem right here. And when it turns black like that, that means we have a mesh problem. All right? Because I've redone the other side by myself really quickly. As you can see, I cut it right here, and I've done that loop and that loop. That's really quick, so that was real short. But that went good. There's not that problem whatsoever. So when that told me the idea, I said, okay, the prime is got to be right here. Okay, so I went to the vertex level and I moved the vertex. All right, and actually before that, so yeah, you have a normally full object at one point. Something got really messed up now, because if I delete that, for example, all right, and I go back to your mesh. Alright, and it gets pointy. Be careful, you're getting a little pointy from time to time, so you might want to rearrange those things a little bit. Let me come here right here. Not that one though. It's really hard with the software I'm using to capture. It slows down everything. It like freezes my screen almost. So I can zoom out quickly or anything like that. I got those right here that I need to get rid of. And right here, scale. And maybe rotate it now a little bit to regain what you wanted. But it's fairly clean now. It's not too bad. A little bit right here. Try to regain some rounded shape. So it's fairly clean when you get at it. You see the prime? There you go. We have the edge all around. And I'll do an edge extrude. Yeah, alright. Axis change. Now when you change the axis like that, you see it gets really straight, and and that will be not so good for your mesh. So scale it down right away. Alright, and I'll do G to redo it again. It's okay, I can do it like that also. You just scale quickly if you forget, if you messed up. Oops, sorry. No, actually. Well, in that case, if you get stuck like that, right here. Right, it was the pivot point. There you go. Bring it in position and then start doing your stuff. At one point, you broke an edge, or you have a double edge somewhere, and it just flips out now because of that. Alright, because if you look at it, I don't have that situation anymore. Alright, so yeah, you see it's nice and clean. So it's got to be a double extrude or something like that you've done. Alright, so just get rid of those parts, like I said, soften your normals. It will tell you what your problem is, and then from there, you can try to fix it, but frankly, fixing it usually takes twice the time than just deleting it and redoing it. You know what I'm saying? It's just stuff happens. You know what I'm saying? But your mesh is good. You're a good modeler. All right. You're just starting up, and things happen. So, you don't. So just go back, clean it up properly, you know what I'm saying, and redo your thing just like I showed you for that one, and then you'll be good to go. You'll have no problem. Okay, Reese? Don't hesitate to email me again if you have any problem, Reese, okay? Take it easy.